Hello everyone, here we have a brilliant solution to this problem. Look at this circuit and let us consider we have n capacitors which are in series and they have the identical capacity. So we know what will be their effective combination. 1 by C equivalent will be equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C plus here will be such n terms. Agree? So we can write this is n into 1 by C. N times the terms are getting repeated. Okay. So the C equivalent, let us flip the equation. It comes out to be C by n. Everyone knows this. If n identical capacitors having the capacity C are in series, then their effective capacity is C by n. Now I am redrawing the given circuit. Here we have the capacity C in the first branch. In the second branch, we have the two capacitors in series. So according to this, n is equal to 2. So the effective capacity is C by 2. Then in the next branch, the effective capacity will be, speak up, correct, C by 4. Then it will be C by 8. And so on up to infinity we will have it. Agree? Since all these capacitors are now in parallel, so what will be their equivalent capacity? Correct. C plus C by 2 plus C by 4 plus C by 8 and so on up to infinity. From this we can consider C as a common term, so we are left with 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, so on. Agree? This is the C equivalent. Now, how to simplify this maths? There is a super method of solving this infinite series. This goes up to infinity. Okay? So, what I am doing here, let us assume that S is equal to 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on. Whenever we have an converging series, the data you can see is going up to infinity, but finally it will converge because the numbers are continuously decreasing. The last term will be almost negligible. Whenever we have an infinite converging series, we can assign it a number S. And then from here, I am taking the data like this 1 plus 1 by 2. From here, I am taking 1 by 2 common. Then what I am left with, this will be 1. Here will be 1 by 2. Then it will be 1 by 4, so on, up to infinity. Agree? Now this entire term can be again written as, you can see, S. So it is 1 plus 1 by 2 into S, and here in LHS we already have the S. Keep in mind, whenever an infinite series like this is converging, we can do such computations. So S minus S by 2, shifting this term here, we are left with only S by 2 is equal to 1. So this gives us that S is equal to 2. Agree? Putting this value of S as 2, the effective capacity comes out to be 2C. Here, now, if you wish, you could have even solved it using the summation of the infinite series, the geometric progression formula. How? If you remember, sum of the infinite series of such converging GP is A upon 1 minus R. Do you remember the formula? What is the A in this computation? The first term. So the first term is 1. What is the R? The common ratio. The common ratio is half, because half by 1 is half. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 is again half. 1 by 8 by 1 by 4 is half. So this is basically half. Got the common ratio? When we simplify this, it comes out to be again 2. So either you can solve it using the knowledge of the summation of the infinite geometric progression, or you can solve it using this intuitive method. So the correct answer is C equivalent is equal to 2C. I hope you enjoyed this way of the solving the question. Stay awesome. See you again.